Dream big and win $10,000. Hello viewers, welcome from the voice of MFA. Today we are going to tell you how signing up for 1000 of recipe could actually win you thousands of dollars for free. To get the both chances, you need to do a simple registration in your website. To know the process, you need to keep watching this video. So, let's start to watch the video without stopping. What if you have got an opportunity to win $10,000 now? Stop dreaming and switch it into reality by taking part in the place from that you will get a free chance to win the massive cash prize. Simply a click of your mouse might earn you an attractive action exploitation the money you win. Wishing a good luck in advance for you. First, you have to remember the rules to get registered. The process is open solely to legal residents of the 50 United States, including DC, who are at least 18 years age. Each entrant may enter only once in the registration forms place. Now, I am telling you the registration process. First, go to the website link given in the description area of this video. Then enter your information in the pop-up you will see. Now fill out the entry form according to the requirement to get one chance to win the prize $10,000. The link has been given in this video screen as well. So guys, that's what I am here for. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like, comment, share, and to press the bell icon for notification. See you soon in the next video. Keep well till then.